Right, so I'm very quickly going to show you. So if you are dragging stuff from all over the place, it's invariably going to come in different aspect ratios, resolutions, blah, blah, blah. And so you're going to end up in a situation where you will drag something in and everything will be good. And then you'll drag something else in, for example, this, and all of a sudden it's gone small. Okay, so here's how to fix that. First thing you want to understand is whatever you drag into your timeline first is going to set the resolution for everything else that follows it. So if you drag something in, we can kind of see this happening. Look, so this, if you look there, that says 3840 by 2160, which is basically 4K footage. Your standard HD is, can you see next to where it says movie? 1920 by 1080. So if you drag this high resolution stuff in, that's all fine and dandy, but anything else that's smaller is going to end up smaller. So here's how to fix that. So let's drag that back in. Two ways you can do it. I'm showing you kind of the backwards way of doing it, because really what you should be doing is getting rid of that and putting this in. But right, so all you do, select the clip, right click, go down, and what is it? It is exciting. Where's it going to fall? Set to frame size. Bang. There you go. The other way you can do it is Control Command Z. You can just rescale it. So you can actually double click in there, and if you double click in there, hang on, why are you not working? See that? Double click in there. I can just zoom in and zoom out like that. Whack. The other thing I was showing you as well, let's undo that, is you can do this in your effects control. Go here, and so we want scale. We can scale it up that way. We can grab that number and scale it up there. And here's the other thing, if we want to focus in on something else, we can move stuff and capture, as long as it's bigger. We can move the footage around. There you go. Easy. Good luck. Happy resizing.